Hi guys! Today on Notice Academy, we're gonna learn how to collaborate. Alright, we're gonna learn how to collaborate on your project. So this is Notice documentation. I'm gonna click on Add a new collaborator. You have different options. The viewer can access your editor but not make any change. The editor can edit. I know, right? The administrator can do a bit more, manage the buildings, for example. The owner is basically the king and he can do whatever he wants. So I'm gonna add an editor. Let's call him example. There you go, the invitation's been sent. You can see it here, it's still pending, it will have to be accepted, and you can manage the status and the other collaborators. As you can see, they're different here. You can also invite a new collaborator from here. If you want to find the space again, you just have to go here in settings, workspace setting, and then collaborators. Here you go.